Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Milk is a culinary superstar, transforming ordinary meals into creamy delights. It brings a luscious richness and vital moisture to everything from your morning oatmeal to elegant dinner sauces. By truly understanding how to work with this versatile ingredient, you can elevate flavors and textures in countless recipes. Plus, knowing a few simple tricks will help you avoid those frustrating kitchen blunders, ensuring perfect results every time. When cooking with milk, temperature control is your best friend. Always begin by heating milk gently over a low to medium flame, never rushing the process. Applying too much heat too quickly can instantly cause the milk proteins to curdle or scorch, leading to a burnt taste and separated texture. Remember to stir consistently, especially at the bottom of the pan, to ensure even heating and prevent any unwelcome sticking or burning. Milk and acid can be a tricky combination if not handled correctly. To avoid unsightly curdling, always introduce acidic elements like lemon juice, tomatoes, or wine right at the very end of your cooking process. For beautifully thick and smooth sauces, start by preparing a blend of butter and flour. Then, gradually whisk in cold milk, ensuring a lump-free, perfectly creamy base for your culinary creations. This method prevents lumps and ensures a stable emulsion. Milk isn't just for stovetop cooking. It's a baking and roasting powerhouse too. In baked goods, milk contributes vital moisture, ensuring a tender crumb and helping with that beautiful golden brown crust. Consider brushing a simple milk wash over your pastries or bread doughs before baking for an irresistible sheen. It also tenderizes meats when used in marinades, adding subtle flavor and helping them stay juicy through the roasting process. Proper storage is key to enjoying your milk safely and preventing waste. Always place your milk in the coldest section of your refrigerator, usually the back of a main shelf, not the door. Keeping the carton tightly sealed prevents it from absorbing strong odors from other foods, maintaining its pure flavor. And remember, always use clean utensils to measure or pour, avoiding any cross-contamination that could introduce bacteria and shorten its freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.